So this is how you can delete your c.ai bots. If you want to go ahead and delete your bot conversations in Character.ai, go on ahead and open up the app and then go to your chat, the one that you want to delete. So here we are. As you can see, this is our chat right here. And then at the top, there is his profile. Once you tap on this, you can actually go on ahead and tap remove messages. This will completely remove every single message that you've sent and every single message that the bot has sent. You can either tap on remove messages or simply tap on start new chat. As you can see, it's deleted everything and it's basically a brand new chat. So yeah, that's about it. Once again, all you're gonna have to do is go to the profile and then either tap on remove messages or start new chat. With remove messages, you can actually select the messages that you want to delete and it will do just that. But if you actually tap on start new chat, it's going to remove every single thing you've sent. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.